Have you ever improvised a repair, fashioned a homemade tool, or created a shop get by and make do? Then you'll appreciate today's shop hacks. Can't find a funnel to add oil to an engine? Then take an empty oil jug, you cut the bottom out of it. Its spout readily fits into engine oil openings on your engine, and you can throw the make-do funnel away when you're done. You can readily identify wrenches in a toolbox by organizing them by size and storing them on a carabiner. Now, it's easy to select the tool for use. You rotate the wrenches around the carabiner, removing the individual tool from the carabiner's clasp. For large tools, you can even buy 6-inch long carabiners at camping stores or online. Another advantage to carabiner storage is that they readily hang on pegboards when back in the shop. We would love to hear about your shop shortcuts, tips, and make-dos. Send us your shop hack. If we use it on the show or in Successful Farming Magazine, we will pay you a $200 reward. Send us a detailed description and any images and video to the address listed below. Hi, I'm Dave Mowitz. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, hit subscribe right here if you haven't already, and click that little bell right here to be notified when we post a new video. And click here to see more great videos.